Yesterday was a big day around Tesla Giga Berlin. The situation at Giga Berlin changed because it was the deadline for ending the public discussions. Now, after that, Brandenburg's economy minister Steinbach said he is optimistic on final approval of Tesla Giga Berlin this year. But I also reported that there was another hurdle. If Tesla does not reschedule Giga Berlin again, the plans around it, the public participation in the approval process of Tesla factory is now over. However, there are still obstacles ahead of the final operating license I reported last night, because Tesla has not yet submitted all the necessary documents to the authorities. This involves issues relating to pollution control and water law, explained Ulrich Stock from the State Environment Agency. Now, with all these hurdles that is now seem to be on the Tesla's part, Brandenburg's economy minister says he is optimistic on final approval of Tesla Giga Berlin still to come this year. That means everything needs to be finished and Tesla needs to prepare all this paperwork before Christmas, and the government needs to study this before Christmas and give the final permit for Tesla to start the mass production. So I'm looking at Twitter, and people are saying he was also optimistic for April, then for October 2021 start. The minister simply has no influence, sadly, on Tesla's final approval from the authorities. And another person says anything longer than a few weeks is already too long. And someone from Germany, with German and China flag named China Rider, says optimistic in Germany means I have no idea and I don't believe myself in it, but I'm optimistic that Tesla will have the final permit this year. I wouldn't say this, but because the man has been very supportive of Tesla Giga Berlin, but he is not the person who gives the final permit. So Brandenburg's economy minister Jörg Steinbach, Berlin.de reports, remains optimistic that the first electric cars will roll off the assembly line from Tesla Giga Berlin this year, even after the last objections from critics to the factory of the US electric car manufacturer Tesla. However, he could not guarantee this, said Steinbach on Monday in Potsdam on the occasion of a balance sheet on the 20th anniversary of the Brandenburg Economic Development Corporation. He assumes, however, that the objections to the renewed online discussion will not lead to any huge problems. This is why he is optimistic. And the objections ended, and as I reported yesterday, the interest was kind of fading away, and looks like there are not that many serious objections. The mood in the meeting of the last task force for the settlement of the US company Tesla was very relaxed at the moment, he described. Steinbach did not provide any further details, such as a point in time for a decision on final approval of the Tesla plant. Berlin.de also reports that the approval of Tesla's first electric car factory, Giga Berlin, in Europe is still pending around 2 years after the settlement was announced. This Monday, a renewed discussion on the objections of critics to the factory of the US electric car manufacturer came to an end. That was yesterday. The discussion then had to be evaluated. After the online consultation of over 800 objections in October altogether, environmental groups had accused the country of being made public too late. The State Environment Agency then decided to repeat the process already for the third time. Tesla CEO Elon Musk wants the Tesla Giga Berlin's production to start in December 2021 at the latest. So far, Tesla has been building through early approvals. In the first discussion on the internet, for example, environmentalists and local residents warned that drinking water in the region could become scarce because of the factory. They feared negative consequences for the forest and animals and questioned the concept for dealing with incidents. Tesla had rejected the criticism. So now, friends, as soon as Tesla does that paperwork that it needs to do, like I said, the obstacles ahead of the final operating license, because Tesla has not yet submitted all the necessary documents to the authorities, which involve issues relating to pollution control and water law. Once Tesla does this, then the only thing remains is the final permit and approval. Well, let me know your thoughts. When do you think this will come? Are you positive, or are you also optimistic that Tesla will start the mass production of Giga Berlin this year? We have already seen Tesla doing some test production at Giga Berlin. Looks like Tesla has permit for that, and that's great and that's exciting. So we're looking forward for the final permit and the mass production. Hopefully it comes before Christmas. Let me know your thoughts, friends. This is Armen Harayan. Have a great rest of the day, whether it's day or morning there. It's morning in Charlotte, North Carolina. Peace be with all of you, your families. God bless you, everyone, and let's move on to our next Tesla story. Good Monday morning, everyone. I have some breaking news to share with you. Data shows over 3 million Tesla Cybertruck orders by now, and it's not surprising. Actually, when I say by now, I mean by October, big end of the October. There may be over 3 million paid Tesla Cybertruck orders. Data sent to Torque News on Saturday shows. Look at this order number, which could be good news for Tesla, and 6 years of paid reservations for Cybertruck. Hardly any car presentation has caused such a sensation in recent years as that of the Tesla Cybertruck. Although the model is only available in North America for the time being, there are already reports of over 1 million pre-orders. However, this new data shared with Torque News over the weekend shows that Tesla may already have over 3 million Cybertruck orders. Saturday evening, I received a letter from a Tesla Cybertruck reservation holder, Brad Gillespie from Chicago area, who revealed some breaking information about the Cybertruck's order status, how many Cybertruck orders Tesla may have by now, and how long will it take for you to get your Cybertruck if you order today. The number is stunning. Gillespie's Cybertruck order number reveals that Tesla may have over 3 million Cybertruck orders by now, and it will take Tesla 6 years to fill those orders if the electric car maker starts producing 500,000 Cybertrucks per year from 2021. Before I go any further, let me tell you that if this data is confirmed and correct, Tesla may need several more Cybertruck gigafactories like Giga Texas to speed up the production of its electric pickup truck and fill these orders. I am stressing this because I don't know how many people will be willing to wait for 6 years to get their Cybertruck. By the way, before I go any further on details, if you order today, or if you order today that you know that your Cybertruck is coming in 4 years or 5 years or 6 years, are you willing to wait, or maybe buy a competitor or something else? It will be interesting to have the discussion, because like it was the case with Model Y and Model 3, as with delays, some people have dropped their orders, but still 3 million and growing. So Gillespie wrote to Torque News that he paid $100 for his Cybertruck single engine on October 12, 2021, just before Tesla cut off choosing your version. He selected the $39,000 single motor version that he says he thinks Tesla will make last. They have built the higher priced versions first in the past. I will happily wait at the end of this list, Gillespie wrote me. Then he shared with Torque News his reservation numbers, which you can see on this report on your screen. Also, he shared with us the starting number of Tesla reservation order numbers, which allows you to tell your place in line. The calculation is that I am 3,080,644 in line to get my Cybertruck, wrote Gillespie. Suppose they build the run rate up to 500,000 Cybertrucks per year. It would be up to 6 years before I see my 39,000 single engine option, Gillespie wrote. Friends, if this calculation is correct, this shows tremendous amount of interest for Cybertruck. Over 3 million Cybertruck orders. This shows a much higher paid reservation demand than anyone else is reporting. So are you surprised? I am personally not. Tesla has left no automotive enthusiast ignorant about the Cybertruck. You can like it or dislike it, unusual and its unusual and innovative design, but you can't ignore it. Also, I am not surprised to see such a huge reservation order number because the cost of the reservation for the Cybertruck is only $100. That's not a big amount, and thus a lot of people risk that small amount to reserve their place in line for the Tesla Cybertruck, whether they end up buying, canceling their order, or purchasing a competitor truck such as the Rivian R1T or Ford F-150 Lightning. So in case you are a Cybertruck reservation holder, please look at our previous report on when you will get to your Tesla Cybertruck order. I will have the link of that story on how to see when you will get your Tesla Cybertruck order in the description of this video. So until then, two constraints still slow down Cybertruck's mass production. Elon Musk talked about them recently, pointing out to chip shortage and battery cell constraints. However, there is good news that Tesla may have a new Cybertruck beta version getting ready for production, as Torque News Tesla reporter Jeremy Johnson discussed yesterday, and I will have the link of that new image in the description of this video. So friends, let me know your thoughts. If you are a Cybertruck reservation holder, please comment below and let us know when do you think you will have your Cybertruck delivered to you. What do you think about this data, and do you think Tesla may indeed have over 3 million Cybertruck orders? This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news if you are here first time. Ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage, and let's move on to our next Tesla story.